Welcome to the tarot space. And you guys know the drill. Whoever is new, take what resonates with you and let go of what doesn't. This is just a way to guide you with what space you currently are in, and what your most probable future is at this current space. Okay, so take what resonates with you, let go what doesn't, and remember, tarot is not set in stone. It is up to you to make your own future. Okay, so I feel like at this point of time, you guys are in a space that you feel like you're very overwhelmed. You can't stay in the present. You are very unsure of the future, what the future is going to be. So you're not in a happy-go-lucky space. You're like, oh my God, I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know, what tomorrow is going to bring me. I don't know. I don't know. Like, you're just very overwhelmed. You're very upset about what the future will bring. Very incapable of staying in the present right now. When it comes to ideas, when it comes to new ways of thinking, new ways of being, new ways of communicating, it seems like that's not happening. Most likely having arguments with people. You're also having like arguments with yourself almost. You're kind of negatively speaking to yourself. You're negatively talking to yourself and putting yourself down. So there's a lot of judgment also possibly that you're holding for yourself at this particular point of time. Sorry. And you're just overall feeling very down and out. You're feeling like you're not feeling the wealthiest. Like the empress is of wealth. The empress is of someone who's just really in her prime, in her feeling really great. So your feminine side, the side which basically feels, right? That's what the feminine is. It's a more emotional part. So that part of you is basically feeling very overwhelmed, very out of place. So you don't feel like empowered right now. You're feeling very when it comes to money or attracting abundance, whether it's manifesting anything that you want in your money, if you're manifesting anything you want in your love life, you're basically feeling like you can't do it because again you're not in your heart space, right? Your mind is basically kind of driving you crazy. You're feeling very upset. You're feeling very demotivated, like things can't come your way. That's basically the space that you're in. You're seeing no growth. You're not seeing any improvement in manifestation. Again, it can be with money or love. So you're not feeling any forward movement, right? You're just again feeling very stuck. You're feeling like there's no growth. There's no, again, tomorrow is just screwed. So because of all of this, you're acting out of impulse. You're acting very all over the place. You're not thinking. You're just acting out. You're getting angry. So generally, but what we can use as our strength is basically becoming your weakness at this point of time. So if you're someone who actually is a little more centered and everything, you're not feeling centered. So you're like because you're so scared and you're so afraid. It's like how these animals, when they're backed into a corner, they start barking. It's not like they're bad dogs or animals. They're just scared, and out of fear they're acting out. So that's the space that I feel that you guys are in. You're just acting out of fear. You're acting out of the sadness. You're acting out of just anger, frustration, everything. You're just acting out, right? But there is hope. Okay. I love the but part always. So there is hope. Okay, so even though right now you may feel like, no, my God, nothing's going to work out, it is going to work out. So you got to focus on that. You got to focus on the fact that what, today is a day, but tomorrow is always a new day. Anything can change, right? When the sun goes down and the sun comes up, anything can change. And I see that there's a lot of possibility of self-love. There's a lot of possibility of being at peace with yourself. Therefore, bringing or attracting peace from other people. So the Lovers card is really beautiful because it means that you can have the possibility of being in alignment with yourself. It means that you can have the possibility of just feeling that happiness. So just feeling a lot of alignment, right? So if you feel the love for yourself, if you feel like, okay, fine, it's okay, things will get better. If you get into that space, your thoughts will also be in a very calm space. You'll be like, what, it's fine. You'll have a lot of structure. So right now, when you're all over the place and you're not having structure in your thoughts, like maybe one moment you're feeling great, next moment you're feeling like crap, right now, if you go into a space when you're just like doing things that are going to help you, when you're in a loving space, right, for yourself, and basically you're attracting that love on the outside as well, you will be in a space where you will be feeling good now, and you'll be feeling good even after an hour. There's nothing that can phase you. There's nothing that will, like, even if a small thing goes wrong, or even if a big thing goes wrong, you'll still be fine. You'll just feel like it's okay, it's cool, it's chill, life's good. You'll always be able to see the bright side. Like right now you're not able to, but if you really genuinely start seeing that hope that tomorrow can be better, and you start tapping into that, you will start tapping into this mindset. And then the Knight of Cups, because this is so sweet, because this means you will be in line with your emotions, right? And this also talks about romance. So it basically means that you will be feeling happy with yourself, and you'll also be feeling happy with someone else, whether it's a romantic partner, whether it's family, whether it's friends, whether it's work, whatever space that you're feeling really down and out in, you're going to start feeling good about that space. So this is about feeling, right? So whatever space that you may be feeling crap in love, you may be feeling crap at work, you may be feeling crap in everything then will start to change for the better. If you're feeling crap in a specific place, that will start to get better. And lastly, you'll be in a space where you will be able to put in that effort. You'll be able to put in that just that your energy, right? Your energy will be directed to actually attract more of this. So like, okay, let me paint a picture. Right now, again, you're in a space where you're all over the place, you don't know what's happening, you're very upset. But the minute that you start tapping into the positive, and saying, yeah, you know what, there is hope, then you start looking at yourself, you start giving yourself that love, you start giving yourself that understanding, you will then start attracting it on the outside. The minute that you start attracting it on the outside, you will be in a space where your thoughts will be very calm and collected. Nothing will phase you, nothing will make you go in this spiral. You'll be fine, you'll be okay in your thoughts, right? Communication also will be very good. You will not be getting angry with people, you'll not be having arguments. It'll be very calm, it'll be very stable. And then all of that will then result for you having this newfound romance for whatever it is that's now at this point of time giving you, this feeling of not good enough. So whether it's work, whether it's love, whether it's friends, whether it's family, whether it's you're just going to be in the space where you're like, okay, great, like things are working out. You'll start to feel better, and that will help you find the right way to channel your energy. So you'll be able to completely be like this, snowball effect. So when you start doing one thing, it continues snowballing. So if you're doing good things keep happening, So that's basically what happens, and you'll be having this really great way of creating this energy and keeping this momentum up. So that's what I feel that it is. I know it's really hard, but you guys gotta just hang in there, okay? So now that's the tarot card. So I have 4 oracle cards, and this is so pretty. Okay, so the first one is basically called Star Keeper. Okay, this talks about being grounded. Okay, so this is saying be grounded right now. You need to just stay. You gotta just stay. The second one is weight of the world. Okay, so this basically speaks about the fact that you need to have boundaries. You need to know that everything is not your problem. Maybe there are things and situations that are going on that you may have no control of, right? So when you get in the mindset of saying that I can't control this, it's the other person's stuff, you will start feeling a little lighter as well. You'll be like, okay, fine, I get it, I understand that this person is going through it, but it's that person's problem, it's their journey, I can't do anything, right? It's there. So you need to stop saving people, right? The other one is loosen your grip. Okay, so basically it says stop what I feel is like surrender, right? So like how the card Sun is basically is the same. It's like surrender to the fact that things can change. Surrender to the universe, because whenever there's something good, there's bad. Whenever there's bad, there's good. It's always a wheel, right? So if you're not in a good space, there will be things which will, get better. And the last one is called a new earth. So this basically says it's happening. Keep holding the vision. So that's so cool, right? So that's exactly with what the tarot card said, that you need to surrender at this particular point of time. You need to believe that things will happen, even though if today is not the best. Believe that tomorrow will be better, because it will get better. You got to surrender. You got to remember that, you know what, everyone's problems are not your problems. Focus on your problems and just surrender. Do what you can, do your duty, and then that's about it. You know, there's no use being in a space where, you know, you're so worried about tomorrow, because you have no idea what tomorrow will bring you. So just stay in the present, stay focused on yourself, and have hope. Things will be happening. So yeah, that's basically what the reading for the next week